Hey guys, I stopped at my local Walmart today. They had one box of the 2016 Prizm. You get a chance of getting one autograph or one memorabilia card. It's 20 bucks a box. So let's see how we do. Most of the box I've seen, it's always been a memorabilia card, no autos. So what you're really going for is the cowboy cards. Those are the ones that are bringing the bucks right at the moment. And let's see if we have a fat pack. Oh, no. No, no. Yep. Bummer. Fat. Well, two of them. Tell you what, this is fat. Let's knock the bad boy right out of the park and see who we got. We got John Brown, Murray, Barry Sanders, and a Drake. Pretty nice looking. Dolphin. Shout out to Brad. Pretty cool looking. Nice shine. Not numbered or nothing. And then our garbage cards. So, probably all downhill from there. But let's see. You never know. Hearns, Teddy Bridgewater. Shout out to Tommy Golf. Kirk Cousins, who had a pretty big game. And a Jared Goff. He had a pretty decent game for a start. 3 touchdown passes in the loss. That's why that little sticker had an extra card in it. Drew Brees, Murray, Tyler Irvin. Are these numbered? No. Nice and shiny, pretty cool looking. Prosy, rookie. Prizm. Yeah, they actually do say Prizm on the back. I opened the box last time and never paid that any mind. So far, no Bears or Packers. Coleman, Andy Dalton, Charles Sims, and Marvis Jones. 2 to go. Brock Osweiler, Quick, Rob Gronkowski, and Odell Beckham Jr. He's going to beat up any more football nets. Last pack. Selick, Jackson, Stills, and Sharp, rookie. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll talk at you later.